Foo Fighters frontman Dave Grohl is keen to get Adele to appear on the group's next album. Grohl admitted he wishes rumors the Skyfall hitmaker featured on the group's last album, Concrete and Gold, were true, but he won't give up hope of getting the British singer to work with the band on the next record instead. And Dave credits Adele with helping his 12-year-old daughter, Violet, who he duetted with on the 30-Year-Old Stars When We Were Young at a charity gig in San Francisco last month, learn to sing. Adele, Foo Fighters, who wouldn't love to see that? What's up, you bunch of keyboard warriors? If you like what we do, and you should, be sure to like and subscribe. It keeps us from having to turn tricks on Hollywood Boulevard.